You gotta be goddamn, dude, you gotta be kidding me right now. Oh my god, hold on. There we go. We gotta hold it at an angle. Got the whole gas vlog going on here, but we're here for the Platinum Quickstrike. That's happening right around the corner on Melrose at the Platinum Collision Center. So you guys know what a good old Quickstrike is all about. Basically, it's a lot of F-boying around. Let's just put it that way, very mildly. So let's hop in the car. We're gonna be there a little bit early, so we're gonna catch all the cars rolling through. And of course, everyone's gonna try and flex because you know what? They wanna be the baddest motherfucker out there. Another conundrum that we're gonna be dealing with because Sunset GT is at 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So we're gonna be arriving there at 7 a.m. Platinum Quickstrike's gonna roll out at 8. I'm gonna try and make Sunset GT right after Quickstrike. So wish me luck, guys. Let's roll. Look at that 570, nice color. 720S. Everyone is rolling through. Oh yeah. Got the Stance crew. Oh, look at that color. My goodness. We're a little bit early. It's 7 o'clock. And there's a guy on crack right there, right next to the trash can. Let's see. What the hell is this guy doing? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hey, V6. Oh, the downshift, baby. The downshift. Oh. You guys know we're in for a real treat, guys. Platinum Quickstrike's about to go down. Okay, check out that Rolls Royce wrap. Whoa! And of course, we got Ben Baller's 720S over there. It's got some sort of gin tonic tune, pulling some sort of like 900 wheel horsepower. Dude, we got a little V8 love going on here. Convertible too. Good looking car. Good choice, man. Full RA crew going on here. All right, Mr. Cash. Ventura S is back. So parking is a little bit limited right now. No one's allowed to park in between the center median over here. So cops are being a little uptight today, but I don't know. I don't trust this Corvette, man. Huh. Mr. Alex Troy himself. Oh dear. Oh. Those Porsches sound alright, so I'm not against that. Oh, good lord. Whole squad rolling. Look at the Raptor on wheels right next to this lower Continental. Of course, Rolls Royce right here. Performante, Ferrari, Audi, Lambo, Audi, Lambo. Got cops kicking everyone out of the... Oh, we got a Chiron going on here. Check that out. Nice. Oh, RS7, Performante, and a Chiron. Now that's a fucking squad, guys. So we're gonna be rolling out pretty soon with like a police on each corner of the street here. One there, one all the way down there, one inside the parking lot. So it's a little bit different than most of the PML Quickstrikes, but stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. I think the cars are starting to roll out. Let's hop in the SVR and see what this is all about. Here we go. Ooh. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god, it's a bumper delete on an Aventador. You guys can't see it. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Check out this Maserati. It's lowered with a kit. It's actually not bad. Oh, Range Rover SVR. And another one. There's two. Got the RA, we got a couple of Lamborghinis up there. Oh, Stance Nation. Hey. Oh. Oh my god. All right. out of here, guys. It's like fuckboy squared, dude. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. There's Mohammed. Audi, let me through. Thank you. Yes, sir. Here we go. I get too excited now, boy. Hey, Range Rover SVR. Check out the plate. Gordon! Hey, what's up? Get it, son. Woohoo!
Subscribe to effspot.
Hey, there you go. C63. Ooh, we got bikes. Yeah. That's pretty clean. We got an old school NSX. Now we're rolling. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. F boys. Badass. And got an R1 Motorsport 570 with a wing. Tony being naughty in the Range Rover SVR, the double Range Rover SVR combo, and of course we got the SVR F-Type. But we're gonna head on to the freeway. That's where the real shit's gonna go down, so stay tuned, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna try and do a little bit less talking and a little bit more driving. Fellow F-Typer, respect. All right, here we go, guys. Oh no! Oh! Well, there's one. Onwards. Roll the windows up. Sudden, it's very peaceful and quiet. But I don't know if you guys can hear the sounds of the fuckboys, so I might roll them down just a little bit. Hold on. Oh, we've got an LT and a 720S. Oh, it's Ben Baller himself. There he goes. I'm taking a gamble because I'm gonna go in the slow lane and just chill because the second pack is way, way, way behind me. So we're gonna just chill at like around 55 miles an hour. And hopefully they catch up. And that was like 30 seconds later, second pack rolling through. Not bad, not bad. Oh, there they go. Hey! There we go. Super Leggera. Now we're talking. for the most part, everyone's made in one piece. A couple pullovers, but you know, it's all good. There you go, guys. Going to hop on the opposite side of the freeway here and head back to Los Angeles. Hope you guys enjoy the footage. Stay tuned because we got Sunset GT and a ton of other nonsense going on today. So hold on, let me do a pull for you guys. Hold on. Here we go.